Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on Facebook Story iPhone. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook app. From here, go to Menu on the bottom right corner. After that, you need to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on the search icon on the top right corner. From here, tap on the search bar and search for Story Privacy. And after that, tap on Story Privacy. And here, as you can see, there is an option that says Control who can see your story. So right now, it is set at Public. So tap on Public. After that, as you can see, there are multiple options you can choose from. Friends, Friends Accept, and Specific Friends. So here it is usually set at Friends. But for this option, we need to select Public. And after that, tap on Save. Then tap on Save to confirm. And now your story privacy is set to Public. But in order to see who viewed your story, you need to select Specific Friends from these options. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you will get to see a list of your friends. You can tap on the search bar and search for Specific Friends. You can also choose one or more friends from the list here. And once you're done, tap on Done. And as you can see, it is set. Now tap on Save. After that, tap on Save to confirm. And now, whenever your friends see your story, you will know exactly who viewed your story. So that is how you can see other viewers on Facebook Story iPhone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.